medyo messy. Wow. Twin? Are they twin? No, I think that the other one is taller or same. Puti, oy. Sabi ng aking follower isa. Pakiramdam ko, nasa Netherlands na din ako. Char. Maganda nga kasi
alam mo,
ano.
the story thing about this bridge, I will tell you.
Okay, guys.
This bridge, when a big boat comes, they have to open it manually. You see that
Oh, yeah.
thing? They have to push it. Like, no, push or pull.
Some other part of Netherlands also, right? Not only here.
No, but actually they prefer to do it. They did it on purpose. Because they want the authenticity. And the Iskidam called before they called it as Black Nazareth. Oh. Because most of the building it was built before. They put it like this.
You pull it like that, and then go down.
And then no, when you pull it like this, and the bridge will go, huh? And then the boat
that
come.
going up. Ganda, oh. Saan ba tayo
I swam there before.
Oh, you did?
Like I jumped.
Oh, yeah, you told me.
And I was drunk.
Was it clear?
I stopped drinking.
There's no fish in there.
Ay, bili tayo ng ano, ice cream.
Ang ganda na,
I wanna eat
girl.
ice
Oh my
cream
gosh.
today.
Oh my gosh. Bilingual po ite. Bilingual.
We deserve ice cream.
Oy, I
Gelato.
remember here. We took a photo together here.
Yes. And
So, I went again and again.
See, the Iskidam begin here.
Ay, may ano pa siya, oh.
Scanning.
Oh,
Very
QR code pa.
And every summer,
Ang
most
ganda
of the
dito, dear.
children, people, they do like swimming here.
Oh, really? It's not so, high. Deep. It's not so deep.
Deep it is? What is deep?
How deep is your love? So deep. Yeah, can swim.
Yeah, in the shoulder now.
Hey.
Yeah, the go park here shoulder there.
Ja?
Yeah. Filming. Okay, or?
Be proud. For LGBTQ. Diba? Couple din na lang damit. Sana all. Couple din kami. Wala kami. Char.
Hoy, teka lang, nagkukupol din ba kayo ni ano?
Pinas. Nagpa-print pa nga ako eh.
Sinusuot niya?
Oo. Dalawa yung shirt yun. Bra.
Dito.
Bra kaya tsaka may print na mukha. Depende na.
Dito.
Sa simula lang mas waya sweet. Charot.
Hindi kami ni Peter yan. Matanong muna yun, anong suot ito? Anong po?
Ay, gano'n.
Puro sa partneran niya. Naiinis kaya ako ganyan.
Ay, ito bagay yung Skidam, right? Is it?
Ha?
Church?
No, museum.
Ay, why it looks like hawig. Ayoko tutukan sila baka may... Ganda, parang yung simbahan. Ito parang simbahan din, may cross eh. Lahat na lang may cross. Masan siya yung gaga. Masan siya. Alam mo, pagka sunny, parang nagiging alive yung paligid, no? Tao at yung paligid. Kasi nung last time dito tayo, ay maulan pala yun, no? Naglakad tayo.
Mama mia.
Sabi mo dito yung may kinasal. Dito yung unang kinasal si ate?
Hindi yan. Hindi.
Alam mo ba? Ito yan ba?
Si ano yan, Miss?
Nakakala na naman. Hawig lang. Kulay kasi. Anong klaseng museum to?
About
Library? Sige lang. Hala, curious ako tuloy. Next time.
ano, pwede tayo punta.
Talaga. So, Skidam is one of the oldest city. Yeah. Obviously naman. Gusto ko yung mga historical places.
O, di ba may market? Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Kunin tayo. Astro. Martin. Alba.
Albert Heijn. Local supermarket.
Mahukay-ukay.
Kanina?
Oo.
Saka na yan? Kasi na hold up na naman si Darling. Uy, ang ganda ng flowers. Parang ito yung pwedeng ihalo sa food coloring. Natural. Parang Makati lang guys, oh. Charot. Building naman yung mga Makati. Ito, iba naman. Maganda lang yung building. Dito tayo kanina. Di rin. Ay, nagdan pala. Pag yung cellphone nahulog, wala na, bye na. Sinabi. Okay, so, ba yun? Yung yellow flower na nabubuhay kahit saan.